Hello everyone, welcome to the SRBPS online classes. Today we are going to study about the concept of brackets and the use of the concept of bracket in the calculation. Clear everyone? So let's understand the concept of brackets. Here we are having four types of bracket. The first one is vernaculum, or it is also called as bar. The symbol or the sign of the bar is this line over the digits. This line over the digits. Second is small bracket, and the sign or the symbol of the small bracket is this, right? Third number of the bracket is curly bracket, which is made as I have made here. This is the symbol of the curly bracket. The last and the fourth type of bracket is big bracket. It is also known as square bracket. As you can see, it is the shape of like square only. So this is known as square bracket or the big bracket. While doing the questions, if we are having many brackets, then first of all this bar is solved, as I have written also here, solved at first step. Always this bar is solved first, small bracket are solved at second step, and in our third step we will solve the curly brackets, and at last we have to solve the big brackets. Clear everyone? So class, till now, we have studied BODMAS. Till now, we have studied BODMAS. But today, I am going to tell you that before the use of the operation of OF, before the OF operation, we used to solve the brackets. पहले हम क्या solve करते हैं class? Brackets. Then we will solve OF, and at last we will solve these four basic operations. Clear everyone? Right. So this I have shown also ODMAS. ODMAS already we have studied. Today we are going to study about the brackets concept, and as I have told you, here we are having four types of brackets. First of all, we have to solve these brackets in our question, and then further we will solve the ODMAS. Clear everyone? So before starting the questions, let us understand one more important point. If there is no sign between two numbers, or if there is no sign between a number and a bracket, as you can see here, this is the number and this is the big bracket. Between these two, between the bracket and the number, there is no sign, neither plus nor divide, multiply, minus, nothing is there. So in that case, what we have to think that the operation to be performed is multiplication. Yes class, when we are not having any sign, so what we use multiply sign in between. Clear? So before doing the questions, this is the concept which we have studied right now. Yes, let's understand one example. The example is 252 minus 5 big bracket 30 plus curly bracket 60 minus 40 curly bracket closed, and then square bracket or the big bracket closed. Class, first of all, which bracket we have to solve? First of all, we have to solve bar. Is there any bar in the question? No. Second, what we have to solve? The small bracket. Is there any small bracket in the question? No. Yes, then we will go to the curly bracket. Is there any curly bracket? Yes, I can see this curly bracket. So we have to solve first of all this curly bracket. As we have to solve this curly bracket, so I have underlined it. I always used to do the questions like this only, so that we never be able to do the calculation wrong. Yes, 60 minus 40. 60 में से 20 subtract करेंगे, we will get the answer 20, and rest all the numbers and the symbols or the signs we will write same. 252 minus 5. 252 minus 5. Big bracket 30 plus big bracket 30 plus, and the which we have underlined, we never used to write them, so instead of them at their place I have written 20. Yes class, we have solved this curly bracket. Now after curly bracket, which bracket we have to solve? We have to solve the square brackets or the big bracket. So in our big bracket, what is there? 30 plus 20. So first of all, we are going to solve this big bracket. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. Is equal to 50. I have solved this big bracket, but there is a one problem. We don't have any sign between 5 and the big bracket. So I told you, when there is no sign between a number or bracket, चाहे वो कोई भी bracket हो, or is there any number, when we are not having any sign between these type of, between a number and the bracket, so we will consider here multiply sign. We will consider multiply sign. You can see here I have considered multiply 5, multiply 50. Yes, after the big brackets class, what we have to solve? After solving all the brackets, we have to solve off. Off. Is there any off in the question? No. So we will leave it. We will come to our next step, that is division. Is there any division in the question? No. So we will also leave this concept, and now let's move to the next step, that is multiplication. Is there any multiplication in the question? Yes. So we will underline that. 5 5s are 25 and 0 as it is. So the answer is 250. And I told you, except the underlined numbers, we will copy the same. 252 minus 252 minus, as addition is not there, so we will directly move to the subtraction, and we will underline it. We will underline it, right? So 252 minus 250, and hence our final answer is 2. Clear everyone? It means we have to follow this BODMAS rule. This is the final rule to do the calculation where we are having all the operations. Clear? First of all, B, that means brackets will be solved, then off, then our 4 basic operations. These are division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So our rule is BODMAS rule. Clear everyone? So now let's do 2 more questions to make our concept strong. Yes, 96 divide big bracket 3 curly bracket 6 minus small bracket 20 minus 18 small bracket closed, then curly bracket closed, and at last the big bracket is closed. This is our question. So class, according to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve the brackets first, and under the brackets, first of all we have to solve the bar. Bar is not there, so we will go to the small brackets. Is there any small bracket? Yes, small bracket is here, so we will first of all solve it. Yes, 20 minus 18. 20, first of all we are going to underline the small bracket as we are going to solve it. So 20 minus 18 is 2, and rest all the things same. 96 divide 96 divide. Big bracket 3, big bracket 3. Curly bracket 6 minus, curly bracket 6 minus. After that, as the small bracket is solved, so after that curly bracket and the big bracket, curly bracket and the big bracket. It means all the things will remain same, and we will not write 20 minus 18 again as we have solved it. After the small bracket, what we have to solve? We have to solve the curly bracket. So we will underline the curly bracket, right? 6 minus 2. When we will subtract 2 from 6, the answer is 4, and all the things will remain same. As the curly bracket is solved, तो हम इसके sign use नहीं करेंगे. As you have seen also here, when the small bracket was solved, so we have not used the small bracket sign or the symbol. As the curly bracket is solved, so we will not use its symbol. Now only big bracket is left, and at last we have to solve the big bracket. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. When we have solved the big bracket, so we will remove its symbol or the sign. At last After solving the bracket, we have to solve off, but off is not there. After that, division. Yes, division is there. So we will underline the numbers which are involved in division and we will directly divide it. 12 की टेबल में बच्चे 96 किस पे आता है? 8 पे. So 12 8s are 96. After division, here we are having more 3 operations, but as no other operation is there, so 8 is our final answer. Am I clear, everyone? Now at last we are going to study about about bar as well. Till now we have not done any question of bar, so this is the question where bar is there. Class, I told you bar is a line over the numbers, over the digits. So first of all we have to solve the bar. Clear? Yes, see here, if we have to solve the bar first, so we will underline it. 5 minus 2, the answer is 3, and all the things which are there in the question we will write same as it is. Clear, everyone? Yes. After the bar, which bracket we have to solve, class? Small bracket. So we will solve the small bracket. 11 plus 3. Who will tell me what is 11 plus 3? 14. As the small bracket is solved, so we will not use its symbol. Now it is here. After small bracket we have to solve curly bracket. Class, can you see any curly bracket is there? No. So we will directly go to the square bracket, as square bracket is there. But see here, everyone, in the square bracket 2 operation are there, plus और माइनस. अब क्या करें क्लास? अब कौन सा ऑपरेशन पहले यूज करें? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल पहले प्लस होता है या माइनस होता है बच्चे? पहले प्लस होता है. सो वी विल डू द प्लस फर्स्ट इन द ब्रैकेट्स. आई हैव अंडरलाइन द प्लस. 96 plus 30 is 126. Minus 14, minus 14. 19 multiply, 19 multiply. Except the 126, or which we have underlined, all the numbers will remain same. And after addition, what we used to do? Subtraction. So we will subtract. So for the subtraction, we have to underline it. After subtracting, we got from 100. When we will subtract 14 from 126, we will get 112 as the answer. As we have solved the full big bracket, so we are not going to use its sign. Clear, everyone? So the answer is 112. At last, 19 multiply is also left. Class, after solving the brackets, we have to solve off, but off is not there. Then we have to move to division. Division is also not there. Then we have to move to multiplication. Yes, multiplication is there. So we will underline the multiplication, or we will underline the numbers who are involved in the multiplication, right? When we will multiply 19 to the 112, we will get the answer 2128. As you can see, after multiply, 2 more operations are there, but we don't have in the question. So our final answer is 2128. I hope so, class. Each and every one student has understood about our BODMAS rule, where we have to solve first of all brackets, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and at last subtraction. This is our BODMAS rule. Clear, everyone? So in my next video, we will do a new topic. Till the time, stay safe and bye, everyone.